Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the start of this video, we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. So this is a little bit of a massive haul, girl. So strap in, get ready, get your water, whatever you need to get, girl, snack, vibe, I don't know. Sit down and we're going to do this together, girl. We have so many products here. Yeah. And there's a couple of random products in the beginning of this video as well. Some products that I found at the Dollar Tree, no, the Family Dollar and at Walmart. So it's not a lot, it's just 3 products, but we're just gonna kind of show them off in the beginning, and then we're gonna get into the Dollar Tree finds that I found. So if you want to see what I found at my local Dollar Tree, just keep on watching. So first off, let's talk about Family Dollar. I went ahead and grabbed these 2 nails from Kiss, and these are their fashion design nails, ready to wear instant nails. These are their long length nails, and look how beautiful these look. So these are in the style Tripping. So I just got these because they're stunning. I don't know what it is about blue nails. I've been purchasing them often for some reason, but I haven't been wearing them. So I need to start wearing my press-ons, but these were so nice and affordable. I think they were like $3.99 or something. Basically, I can get them on Temu and Shein for way less, but I just, girl, these are just stunning. I cannot leave them. So again, the style is always on the bottom of the box. So nice. And again, it's just different shades of blue and they just look so beautiful. So I just went ahead and picked up this style. These are part of the salon color nails. These are also their long length, and these are in the style Tell Me Now. And basically they're just a nice like fuchsia pink, almost purple kind of nail, and they just look stunning. So I went ahead, again, I just picked up 2 press-ons. You guys know I love my press-on nails. Yeah, super affordable and cute. So we also went to Walmart yesterday because I needed an air conditioner, girl. Yeah, because it's super hot in here. But me and my boyfriend ran across this collection. I literally completely forgot that Profusion came out with the Jurassic Park collection, girl. It just like slipped our minds. So when we walked in to the makeup aisle, they had the little like display. I posted it on my Instagram and it was so nice. And this is their Jurassic Park Welcome to Jurassic Park 30 shade palette, and basically it's just very nice and like chunky vibes. It's really cute for display if that's what you're into. So first off, you open it, and we're really much into going to Universal. If you guys know, you know. If you follow me on Instagram, literally we're Universal all the time. So when we saw this, it was so cute. So this is the first thing you see when you open it. It's really nice. Look at how nice that is, and like very like, so basically it comes with a little like music situation in here, and then you get all the colors. But I can see it being a little annoying when I'm filming, but this is so cute. Again, comes with the sound in there as well, and yeah, the shades in here are really stunning as well. So I just kind of want to show you guys before I throw it in a video. But yeah, Profusion came out with the Jurassic Park collection, like who knew? And they literally have like setting sprays, they had a liquid bronzer, they have some lashes, they had some like tools, and they literally had so many products with this collection. So can't wait to use this on my channel. Let's talk about miscellaneous products. I bought 5 of these Dove soaps. These are just basically the original beauty bar with deep moisture soap. So I picked up 5 of these because we were running low, and I just love this. And also the scented ones are really nice. Yeah, I just was in need of some soap, so I just went ahead and picked up 5 of them. So very random. I did pick up a few of these in some of my other Dollar Tree hauls. I always have to have hauls on hand. It's just whenever I feel something in my throat, a little tingling or whatever it may be, love to have the whatever it may be. Literally, I always have hauls on me. So these are their Halls Relief Cough and Throat Situation, but I got the ones in honey lemon. I just went ahead and picked up a different flavor, also because cherry isn't my most like favorite one either. So these are again the honey lemon ones, and I picked up 3 packs because I'm a little loony and because they're so affordable as well. So I like to have these again on hand. A face mask. So I said I wasn't going to buy any more face masks, but here I am, girl. I picked up 2 of them. We have the Be Pure Strawberry sheet mask, and it says it is a juice scented cleanse for your face. So very interesting. Again, a sheet mask. You do get instructions on the back, but look at how beautiful this packaging is. So I definitely just wanted it because of the aesthetic and because it's really cute, and because I like using them when I come out of the shower, when I'm just sitting around doing some self-care vibes. This is really nice and relaxing, especially on a hot day. It just gives you the hydration and that like wet kind of moisturized feeling on your skin. So yeah, this is really nice. That blue color messes with the lighting so badly. So it is basically the Be Pure Strawberry Sheet Mask goes with the strawberry blush that I purchased, as well as the lip product. It was part of that same collection. So this is just their strawberry strawberry scented sheet mask. Next we have this claw clip. Look at how beautiful this is. It is pink and fuzzy, and I could not pass up on this, girl. It's so cute. So yeah, it's just a beautiful like fuzzy clip, like a claw clip. Let me take it out of here. It's actually so cute. Look at how beautiful that is. It's just nice and fuzzy and pink. Yeah, I cannot pass up on this. So cute. So next I picked up these lashes. I definitely gotta use them today because I did do a like red kind of look. This is the Ioni Cosmetics 3D Faux Mink lashes in Liz, and these are the red wispy cat eye lashes. And basically what called out to me is that they had like red in them. They also did have some purple lashes, but I love that these are more like on the subtle kind of side. They're not too dramatic on your face, but we'll see how they look on. But they looked very intriguing, so I just went ahead and picked up this style. Also have the Ioni Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara here. They're colored ones. We have their blue shade here and also their purple. So saw these at my Dollar Tree, and literally I've never seen their colored mascaras in these tubes before, I believe. So again, and it does have a tapered brush, and this one has the same one. So basically they're just different colored mascaras. So let's get in here and see. This one here in blue is the one in Greece, and then we have the purple in Persia. So really cute. So it's basically what it looks like. I really love the simplicity of their packaging. So let's see. Ooh, all right, girl. Blue mascara. I really love the wand that they chose. It's just their traditional wand that they literally use for their other mascaras and stuff. Okay, girl. Yeah, they look so nice and fun. Again, can't wait to use them and create a nice like colorful kind of vibe with you guys. Yes. All right, next we have the Ioni Cosmetics Fat Chubby Stick, but this one is in a different color. This one here is in the shade Singapore, in Bali Gaze. So you guys know they have different names to them. Part of their Bon Voyage collection, and again this one here is in Singapore. Look at how cute that is. This just looks like the most beautiful like antique-y brown shade. It's just so beautiful. So again, this is their Fat Chubby Stick in Bali Gaze, and definitely needed to pick this up. Oh, it is a pencil. Oh girl, that looks so beautiful. Yes. Last Ioni Cosmetics product is another liner. So this is their eyeliner pencil. It says it's waterproof, a smooth glide. So I do own a couple other shades in these, but I don't think I own this green one. So this one here is in Mars Green, and again part of their Bon Voyage collection. So this one here is in the style Thailand. So there's a look. It's basically just a metallic eyeliner. Ooh, oh, these are kind of like melting because it's super hot in here, but here's a shade there in Mars Green that looks so beautiful as well. I picked up two of the Nucolor lip repair products. So we have this one here in the shade Maroon. So it says easy application with lip brush, again in the maroon shade. And then we also have this, which is the lip repair in transparent. So I guess it's more on the lip gloss side. They're so adorable. Look at that. So cute just to throw in your purse. Look, here's the maroon one. That looks so cute. So let's go ahead and swatch the red. Okay, so this one's a gloss. So they're both glosses. I thought this one was more like pigmented vibes, but it's just a gloss with a little bit of a tint to it. And this one is just transparent kind of vibe. So there's a swatch of those glosses. So cute, and they're just like perfect to throw in your purse. Look at that. It's so cute. Next, I also saw that they had a couple of like hair products, which is where I found the little like claw clip. They also had some brushes. So this just looks so cute, and it's like a metallic pink comb. So this is their just comb, I guess that's the name, from no particular brand, but girl, this is so cute. So I was like, girl, grab it, why not? Pink comb. Doesn't feel like it's gonna last too long, you know, feels a little cheapy, but still, girl, I could still use this. So nice. Could even like, you could part your hair with this, whatever you want. These come in handy so much. So yeah, so nice. Lastly, we have some press-on nails. So we have the Pretty Woman faux nails. I did buy a couple other styles in another Dollar Tree haul. I honestly don't remember, but they were like white. We also had some that had like pink on them. Love those nails. They were so nice, so comfortable. They literally lasted me like a week or two. They were so good. So I just went ahead and picked up this style here. These are more on the ombre kind of Easter vibes kind of nails, and ombre kind of vibe. It's just really cute. So these don't really have any particular like name to them, so I can't like tell you what style this is, but basically I had a bunch of these at my Dollar Tree, so I just went ahead and picked these up as well. And that was it. Those were the last products that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Let me know what you found at your local Dollar Tree, what you want me to try. Definitely can't wait to try the makeup products. I'll definitely have to do another full face of Dollar Tree soon, and I do have my Dollar Tree playlist linked down below where I have all my haul videos, my full faces, my ranking videos, everything related to Dollar Trees down below. So if you want to see that, go ahead and check that out. And that is it. That's it for this haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.